You see when a Jamaican woman love you, them love you to death, literally. Hear this now. She said she want to go Carnival. Me tell her plane me too eerie for that kind of heat. I'm a bushman, not a back road dancer. But she insists. Say she want to wind up on her man in the public, or else she go find another man who can do the job. Me say, alright, cool, me we go. Cause no man to me think. Next thing you know, me in a glitter, feathers and paint. The whole road full of girl, and as them see the BigFoot, it's like me turn national attraction. One girl say, BigFoot equal big bamboo. Another girl say, she never see a foot big so yet, him off is strong. By now, Samantha vex. Girl vex bad. She say me show off. She say me enjoy the attention. Me just stay there and not say nothing. Me turn my head. The woman drive gone left me in the middle of the rash crowd. Beer pump costume and glitter around me like me there in a wet pun and a tornado. And what she want me to in a situation like that? Love them. Tender touch them. See there now, me have to walk 12 miles barefoot. My foot still have costume glue upon it. Me I go cool out now, go and drink some iced tea and try forget my troubles. Me left stranded, chat. Drop your own Madwoman story in the comment section, okay chat? Like, comment and share the thing. It's BigFoot signing off. Watch your back and watch your pocket too.